Good morning, and happy Monday. And today is Monday, May 4th. May the 4th be with you. So I just wanted to post a video updating you all about where you should be in your work and clarifying some things for you. So we are now in our poetry unit, and we are all working on one poem, completing one poem. So we talked last week about simile and metaphor, and we had a lesson about that. I would recommend, if you were kind of unsure or you needed more practice, highly recommend that you view this video. I do have a YouTube page, so go ahead and check out this video. It clarifies and it gives you just different more examples. You do not have to do this simile and metaphor practice, but this practice is really good because it gives you more ideas of how you can create different similes and metaphors. So that this needs to be understood before you do anything else. When you move into writing your actual poem, again, you have a choice between two. You have the choice to complete an I am poem, or you can do a where I'm from poem. Both are very similar. The where I'm from poem has a little bit more to it. I went ahead and posted videos for each. Whichever one you choose to do, please watch the video, because in the video I type my own poem, and I want you to be able to see how I'm thinking, how I'm talking out loud as I'm writing. And definitely check out the directions before each one. Once you open up the template for the poem, you will notice that you have some lines, and the Where I'm From poem has it as well. Make sure as you type, you delete the lines. You must have 2 similes and 2 metaphors per poem. I'm giving you feedback. I'm going through and giving you guys some feedback on what you completed. So for example, Sierra and Earl completed theirs. I already gave back feedback to Olivia, Ethan, and Sadie. And so whenever I give you, and this is just this for this particular class, periods 2 and 3. So whenever I give you feedback and I return it back to you, please make sure you are correcting that feedback and you are revising your poem as you go. So I will be checking in with each of the classes so that 4 people have turned it in, 8 people total for this class, an I am poem. The Where I'm From poems are really, it's very fun to complete as well. Don't be scared of it. It's not that much harder. It's essentially the same thing, but it just has more detail within the poem itself. All right. So make sure you do that. These will be due by the end of the week. So make sure you get in and you work a little bit each day on your writing. Once I have submitted it back to you and you have corrected the feedback, resubmit it back to me so I can just take one more glance at it, and I'll let you know if you're done or not. So I will be kind of assessing and revising these poems as you turn them in every single day. And on Wednesday, we will have another Zoom. The first part of the Zoom, we're going to be starting a new poem or a new lesson on poetry, and we will be applying what we learn to a new poem that we're going to be writing. So we're moving. This is what you have to do. Additionally, make sure you guys are reading. So I know that we have our Flipgrid. We have our reading once a month. The reading, April reading is already due. So 7 of you have completed that, and I have around 80 to 90 of you total. So that's where we're at. I need you guys to be reading, okay? We do have our show and tell. So I've seen more people have posted just kind of like a fun show and tell. Make sure you guys are replying to each other. I did mine over here. You can take a look. Add interact with one another. That's what this platform is for. I'll be checking in on that as well. And then our passion projects are due tomorrow. So the way that you need to work on that, I posted a link on Google Classroom for the Passion Project. I will move it to the front since it is due. Where is it? I posted it. I'm pretty sure I posted it. Oh, maybe I didn't. I thought I did. Well, I'll post a link today for turning it in. Again, it is due tomorrow, Tuesday, May 5th. And on Wednesday, the last half of Wednesday's class, we will be sharing our screens, and sharing them with the class. So looking forward to this week with you guys. Looking forward to see you on Wednesday. Have a good day. Email me with any questions.